Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable ground pass assistance. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, and now go to Settings again and Game Settings. Scroll down, find Ground Pass Assistance and select between Assisted, Manual or Semi. Ground pass direction and power will be partially assisted and depend more on where you aim when determining where to avoid opponent players. The direction you aim is the direction the pass will travel. Ground pass direction and power are both assisted. This ensures the ground pass travel into the receiver's path while also avoiding opponent players. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.